students, welcome back to the maths class. In today's class we are going to cover the word problems of exercise 5.6 which is on page number 96. So open page number 96, exercise 5.6, question number 2. Read word problem very carefully. If 110.25 kg of rice is to be distributed equally among 100 children, then how much would each child get? Here the data distributed for 100 children is given, right? And you want to find out for the one child. So in such cases, when the data for more and is given and you need to find for one, so in such cases we perform division operation, right? As I told you before also. So let us start doing this, solving this question. Question 2. First of all, write all the things which are given in your question, all the data which is useful to solve our question. Amount of rice is 110.25 kg. 110.25 kg. Since rice distributed among 100 children is equals to 110.25 kg. Rice distributed among 100 children is equals to 110.25 kg. Therefore, rice distributed to one child. Each means what? Here each stands for 1. The meaning of each is 1. So the data for 100 is given and you want to find for 1. So in such case we perform division. So we will divide this 110.25 by 100. We will divide this 110.25 by 100. Okay. So let us perform our division here. 110.25 divide by 100. Now in how many times I can, here the number of digits of divisor is 3. So take 3 digits. First 3 digits of your dividend. Okay. So 100 ones are 100, right? Now put minus sign to subtract it. 110 minus 100 gives you 10 as result. Okay. Now as after 3 digits one decimal is here. And we have divided this 3 digits, first 3 digit and decimal is there. So we have divided this first 3 digit. So now you can put decimal because after this first digit decimal is there. If you divided this first 3 digit then you need to put decimal. Okay. Now your number here is 10. 10 is smaller than divisor, so we cannot divide. So for further division we need to bring down to here. Okay. Now your number is 102 which is greater than 100. Now you can divide this 102. So in one time 100 ones are 100. In one time we can divide. Now 102 minus 100. 102 minus 100 gives you 2 as result. Right? Now 2. 2 is smaller than divisor. We cannot divide. So we need to bring down 5 here. The number is 25. Now the number is 25. 25 is smaller than 100. So as we have already put a decimal here, so we can add 10 behind to the right side of the 5. We can add 10 to the right side of the 5. Now 100 twos are 200. Now 250 minus 200 gives you 50 as result, right? Now 50 is smaller than 100. So, and you have already put a decimal here. So we can add 1 0 right to the 50. Okay, now we can divide this 500 in 5 times. 100 5s are 500 and 500 minus 500 gives 0, remainder 0. So when we divide 110.25 by 100, our result is 1.125. So our final result is 1.125 kg. And our final answer will be each children will get 1.125 kg of rice. Each children will get 1.125 kg of rice. Now, what problem number 3? What problem 3? If 112 liters of oil is to be filled equally in bottles whose capacity is 3.5 liters, then find how much such bottles will be needed. Okay, we need to find here the number of bottles needed to fill 112 liters of oil. So question number 3, if 112 liters of oil, so amount of oil given is, write all the data given or useful for your word problem. Amount of oil is 112 liters, right? Amount of oil is 112 liters, or I can write L. L stands for liters. Okay, capacity of one bottle, capacity of one bottle is equals to 3.5 liters. Capacity of one bottle is 3.5 liters. Therefore, number of bottles needed to fill 112 liter is equals to 112 divided by 3.5. 112 divided by 3.5. Let us start dividing. We will divide 112 by 3.5. Here the decimal is after 3 individual portion. So let us divide. 3 3s are 9, right? If I take only one digit, it is 1. 1 is smaller than 3, so we cannot divide. So we need to take 2 digits. Okay. 3 3s are 9. 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9 gives 2 as result. Right. Now this 2. Wait. your division is of 2 digit, right? Your division is of 2 digit. So if I take first 2 digit of the number to divide, if I take first 2 digit 11 is smaller than 35, so we cannot divide it. So we need to take all 3 digits. Okay. Now your number is 35, you want to divide 112. So in 3 times we can divide 112. In 3 times our result is 105. Now 112 minus 105. If you subtract 105, your result is 7. Your result is 7. Now this 7 is smaller than 35. 7 is smaller than 35. So put a decimal over here. If you have put a decimal, you can add 1 0. If you have one decimal in the quotient, then you can add 1 0. Now 35 twos are 70. 70 minus 70. Remainder is 0 and your quotient is 3.2. So here we will not put any decimal. So 32 bottles are needed to fill total 32 bottles are needed to fill 112 liters. Now question number 4, for problem number 4. Akash bought 64.75 liters of milk and made 18.5 kg of dessert with it. Find how much milk is needed to make 1 kg of dessert. Question number 4. Akash bought 64.75 liters of milk, right? So what data we have? We have amount of milk. Is equals to 64.75 liters. Amount of milk bought is 64.75 liters and now since 18.5 kg of dessert is made with 64.75 liter milk. 18.5 kg of dessert is made with milk is equals to 64.75 liter of milk. Therefore, we want to find for 1 kg of dessert, right? So therefore 1 kg of dessert is made with milk is equals to, here the data for 18.5 kg is given and you want to find for 1 kg. So division operation we will apply here. 64.75 divided by 18.5. Let us arrange both the numbers in division form. Now your divisor is of 3 digit. So take first 3 digits of your number. In 3 times we can divide. 3 5s are 15, so 5 here, 1 carry forward. 3 8s are 24 and 1 25, so 5 here, 2 carry forward. 3 1s are 3 and 2 5. So when we multiply 185 with 3, our result is 555. Now subtract this. Subtract it from it, you get 2. 14 minus 5, how much? 9. Okay, now your number is 92, which is not divisible by 185, so we need to bring down 5 here. Now subtract. We can subtract in 5 times. 5 5s are 25, so 5 here you can do in rough work. Okay, 5 5s are 25, so 5 here to carry forward. 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 2 is 42, so 2 here, 4 carry forward. 5 1s are 5 and 4 9. So 925 minus 925, remainder is 0. So our result is, our quotient is 3.5. So how much milk is required for 1 kg of dessert? 3.5 liter. 3.5 liter of milk is required for 1 kg of dessert. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is, a train covers 220.55 km in 5.5 hours. What is the speed of train? So in this question, one hint is given in your book, that is speed equals to distance upon time or distance divided by time. So we need to use this hint, or you can say it is a formula. Question number 5. A train covers 220.25 kilometer. So let us write all the data given here. Train covers 220.25 kilometer. It means it is distance. This much distance a train covered. In how much time train covered? 5.5 hour. Hour is given, it means 5.5 here is time. So distance is equals to 220.25 kilometer. Right? And the time given in the question is 5.5 kilometer. And what is your task? Your task is to find the speed of the train. So we have a formula which is given in book also. Speed equals to distance upon time. Distance upon time, or you can read it as distance divided by time. So let us put the value of distance. What is the value of distance? 220.25 kilometer. 220.25 kilometer. Divide by, what is the time? 5.5 hours. Okay. Now you have two decimal numbers. One is 220.25, another one is 5.5. Both the number have decimal point. Means both the numbers are decimal. Now how you will divide decimal by decimal? So we have two ways to divide it. Okay, we can divide these numbers in two ways. One way is decimal, one way is by making them like decimal. So if I make them like decimal, here the number of digits after decimal 2, and in this number of digits after decimal is 1, right? Here 2 digits after decimal, here only 1 digits. So you can add 1 0 like this. You can write 220, 25 and 5.5, right? After decimal 2, after decimal 1. So we can put 1 0 to make it like decimal. Now both the numbers are like decimal, so we can remove this decimal point. If our decimals are like decimal, we can remove decimals. We can cancel out decimal to decimal. Okay. Now divide this 220, 25. Now we have removed the decimal by 550. Now tell me how many times we can divide, as our divisor is of 3 digits, right? So we will choose the first 3 digits of dividend also, but the first 3 digits of dividend is smaller than 550. So here we need to take 4 digits. Okay. So we will take 2202 for division. So 550 4s are. So when we multiply 4 with 550, our result is 2200. Now subtract this. So 2202 minus 2200. So your result is 2. Now 2 is smaller than 550. So we cannot divide. So let us bring down this digit 5 here. Now we bring it here. Okay. 25. Again it is smaller than 550. So now what we can do? We can put 1 decimal here. We can put 1 decimal. Sorry. As our number is not divisible, as 25 is not divisible by 550, so we can put 1 0 here. Okay. Now again it is not divisible, so put 1 decimal here. If we have put decimal, we can write 1 0. Still it is not divisible, but we have already put decimal 1 time, so we can add 1 more 0. Now subtract it. In rough work you can do. Let me do this division one more time. Fives are 20, so 0 here, 2 carry forward, 4 5s are 20 and 2 22. Now subtract it. The result will be 300. Now you can put 10. If we further divide it, our result is 550 into 6. 6 into 0 is 0. 6 into 5 is 30. So 0 and 3 carry forward. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. Is a greater number. So let us take 5 times. 5 into 0 is 0. 5 5s are 25. So 5 here to carry forward. 5 5s are 25 and 2 27. So in 5 times we can further divide. So our result is 2750. Now subtract it. 250 again, 250. In this question I have some problem is there, because in backside of the worksheet the answer is given something different, and when we are dividing our answer is something different. So leave it. I will provide this question in PDF. Okay, just remember this formula: speed is equals to distance upon time. At the place of distance we have put value of distance, at the place of time we have put value of time, and what we are doing, we are dividing this number by this. Okay, and after division we will get our final answer. But here in division I think some problem is there, so I am leaving this question here. I will provide you in the PDF. Solution I will provide you in the PDF. Now the last question of the chapter, which is Mr. Banerjee cuts 781.28 meter of ribbon equally into 16 pieces. What is the length of each piece? Okay. Question number 6. Mr. Banerjee here in this question we need to find the length of one piece. Length of ribbon. Length of ribbon is 78.128 meter. Length of ribbon is 78.128 meter. Okay. Since are cut from ribbon of length 78.128 meter, therefore the length of one, length of one piece will be, the length of one piece will be 78.128 divided by 60. Divide by 60. So let us divide it. Arrange both the numbers according to the standard form of division. 16 4s are 4 6 are. When we multiply 16 with 4 in rough work we can do. When we multiply 16 with 4, our result is 4 6 are 24. So 4 here to carry forward. 4 1s are 4 and 2 6 64. When we multiply 16 with 4, our result is 64. So write 64. Put a minus sign. Now subtract 8 minus 4 is 4 and 7 minus 6 is 1. Now you can see that here 14 is smaller than 16, so we cannot divide this 14 by 16, so we need to take down 1 here. Now our number is 141, which is larger than 16, so we can divide it. So let us check in how many times we can divide. So if I multiply 16 with 8, 8 6 are 48, so 8 here, 4 carry forward, 8 1s are 8 and 4, 8 plus 4 is 12. So our result is 128. Now subtract this 128 from 141. 1 minus 8, not possible, so we need to take borrow. It becomes 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. Here 3 minus 2 is 1, and 1 minus 1 means 0. Now your number is 13, which is not divisible by 16, as 13 is smaller. So we need to bring down this digit here. Our number is 132. Now in how many times we can divide? We can divide again in 8 times. So when we multiply 8 with 16, our result is 128. Write 128. Now 2 minus 8, not possible, so we need to take borrow from it. It becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now your result is 4 here, which is smaller than divisor, so we cannot divide. Then we need to bring down the next digit, that is 48. And 16 fours are 48. So in 4 times we can divide this. 16 fours are 48, and 48 minus 48, remainder is 0. So our result is 48. Now we need to put the decimal symbol also. So after 2-digit decimal is there from the left side. So you need to put the decimal from the left side after 2-digit. Okay. So our final result is 48.84 meter. So the length of one piece of ribbon is 48.84 meter. The length of one piece of ribbon is 48.84 meter. Okay. This exercise is over here. Now from the next lectures we are going to start our revision. Okay. So again I want to clear one thing, that chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4 and chapter 5, all 5 chapters will be covered in your half yearly exam. Okay. All these are the syllabus for half yearly exam. So prepare well all these things, complete your copies and submit in a school for correction work, and be ready for exam. All the best.